Alright guys, so it's day one of the build and we're just gonna start taking it apart actually, so let's get right into it. Oh. Slow down word. Alright, so I'm gonna first take off the windscreen first. So basically I'm just going to take everything apart and then take inventory and see what I need to buy and then what I need to replace and customization also. So we're going to start doing that. I'm just going to start a time lapse. So yeah, the front fender needs to be replaced. This tail lights probably need to be replaced also. This headlight seems pretty good. Just this tab is broken, but I can glue that back. And these tabs are both broken. Perfect condition. Also, when you're storing your parts and taking them off, make sure you get a nice box or something. And for your nuts and your bolts, go ahead and label the bag. Always a good idea, so it's easier to put back together. Take pictures before you take it apart. And yeah, guys. Alright, so I just typed into the computer what I need. So I need side view mirror bolts, windscreen washers. Some of these are just really unnecessary, but they're detailed, and that's why I like the details. It's all about the details. New headlight, the broken upper tabs, they're broken, so I don't know if I'm going to buy one or not. I need a front fairing for sure, and two front turn signals because they're both shot. So alright, so that's the end of the process today. I have an appointment right now. So anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And yeah, so peace out.